having a red display is only cool until you do a presentation. Usually they don't work that well. So I'm Anthony, and I made Tech Connect. It is not a connection app for Georgia Tech alumni. So what it is it's something that I built for technicians to use in order to communicate with one another when they're out in the field. And it's built on Flex, so it's deployable on iOS and Android. There's plans for an upgrade path for Windows 8, but I did not do that. And it's built on the Azure for data services and the media server in the background. But a particular use case would be, the technician logs in. Just put and it's a tablet-to-tablet communication. They log into what we call a lobby, and they're able to start streaming the video off of their device to be able to better communicate with one another. They can use either the front-facing camera for a face-to-face conversation in this lobby area, or they can use the rear-facing camera in order to help troubleshoot something that they're seeing in the field. And so I'll just do a little demo here of. So you can actually see in real time. This is going to Azure, which I'm assuming is in Redmond. So there's a touch of latency. So I can stop the video right here. If I want to invite this other user, the other iPad receives it. They go into a private communication session. 1, 2, 3 now. And it's a two-way chat with both the device working, so you're able to. Well, I'll start to get some feedback here in a second. So let me turn on the mics. But it's really extending the capability of what you can do in the field. And there's a migration path towards using WebRTC as soon as they've got some way to record it on the back end. This is running off a Wowza media server, but that's connected through Azure. And thank you guys so much. Oh yeah, I'm available for questions.
What is codec that's being
It's H.264. Yeah, it's H.264, and it's a variable frame rate based on the network conditions. So if you've got good LTE, then it will run up to 30 frames per second. And it's all user tunable, so if you need a lower bandwidth consumption, you can reduce either the frame rate or the picture quality. You can obviously size it to where it utilizes more than screen.
So right now it's just a native iOS app using the camera APIs to grab that and stream it across. Okay.
Correct. And we'll start to use the AT&T location information, and it'll just make a call to the browser in order to get that further AGPS system. But if you've got a hardware piece on it, it'll just use the GPS that's native on the device. And that'll help you locate users that are within your own area, so someone that's helping you out is physically nearby. Anything else?